The Atomos Shinobi 7 presents unmatched capabilities for those who are aiming to make it big in the filmmaking industry. Unlike the previous 5.2-inch Shinobi, this one offers 7 inches of display with a brighter, bigger and better resolution. The Atomos 7 is a 7-inch screen monitor that offers a range of important features for filmmaking. It's a HDR monitor, which makes a comprehensive tool designed for entry-level and professional video production. It's a great choice if you have a budgetary constraints or want to film short movies, documentaries or cinema films. The Atomos 7, it's a HDMI to SDI and SDI to HDMI support. The price tag is spot on for the quality you get. Apart from having a larger size than its predecessor, the Atomos Shinobi 5.2, the Atomos Shinobi 7 comes with the following features that make it a considerable upgrade. 4K UGHD, 4K DCI support up to 59 9.4 frames, 9 grid markers, 8-inch 24-bit input dependent SDI. As the name suggests it comes with a 7-inch screen that boasts 1920 by 1080 resolution, crystal clear images on the screen. The screen has a contrast ratio of 1,000,000:1 and impressive peak brightness that can get as high as 2200 nits. The monitor allows hot swapping of batteries, so there's no downtime when shooting on set. The HDR monitor is ideal when shooting on set pieces and comes in handy when analysing recordings. It also has a calibrated screen colour. Atomos is known to have some of the best colour calibrated screens on the market. The monitor allows instant playback, which you can leverage to see the frame-by-frame analysis for review and edits. It's also possible to monitor viewing LUTs so that you can view your log footage easily when viewing down the pipeline, or even on set when recording, meaning you don't have to view such basic log image when shooting. As a 12G SDI and HDMI monitor, you can expect it to handle anything either captured by SDI or HDMI. With Shinobi 7 you can edit any piece to achieve great finesse. Shinobi 7 is quite easy to use, one of the best user interfaces in the industry. Atomos monitors are known to be very responsive and fast, quickly enabling you to review your footage without lag. The display features of a whopping 10 stops of the dynamic range. The Shinobi 7 simplifies the complexities of shooting log and HDR, combined with HRD monitoring features. The successor of the Shinobi offers a new solution to anyone who's looking for better screen functionality, versatility, especially at a professional level.